Very good morning to all of you, friends. Very good morning.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Okay, now after a long period of time, we are again here. Okay, and now we are going to start our session. And our planning that you see here on the screen. First, to read these all, I will discuss with you all the things. What is our planning today? First of all, we are going to start today. What are the various types of internet services? If I remember last time also I had started this topic, internet services. Had I started with you, friend? Internet services? Was it started? I am going to tell you. Had I started this chapter, friends?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we learned in the last session that internet services. What is the meaning of internet services? First of all, we all have to understand this. And what are different types of internet services? That is our planning. Then we will learn one by one each and every internet services, like what is a search engine and what are the components of search engine. These are our today's topic. If time permits, then we may discuss some more topics. But this is our planning and what tools and activities that we are going to perform in this one, or we are going to use in this one. Obviously, I am going to show these all things by PowerPoint presentation. Then videos, I will also show you. Some videos I have brought, very beautiful videos I have brought for you all to demonstrate these all things. And discussion will also be going on simultaneously with you all. At the end of this session, you will be able to understand various types of internet services, able to understand the search engine and the various components of search engine. So now we are going to the next one, next slide. Okay. And what does next slide show? That you see. Next slide shows you internet and web services. As I just told you, the web services are software-based services on internet. Software-based services provided by different websites, different apps. If you are using mobile phone, here we say apps. And in laptop or in desktop, we say websites. So that takes place only when two electronic devices are connected through internet. So in that case, we can say that internet services or web services are those applications, those software-based services which provide various facilities of internet, various facilities of internet to us. You may also write also those friends who are seeing the screen while I am explaining this all. You keep your ear on as well as you keep your hands also moving. Don't wait for my instruction. You are intelligent friends, you are smart friends, you are clever friends, you are all understanding in this situation you should write also. Okay, so otherwise you can take a snapshot or a screenshot of this and further you can write in your notebook. So you'll have to make notes on these all. Very soon I will join you, all of you, in Google Classroom, and in that Google Classroom I would send you some questions, some notes, and through that notes you can write in your notebook and you can take the photos of snap of that pages of your classwork notebook, and you can also upload or post to me through the same link. Okay, I will tell you how to do it in any other day. Today I am going to discuss internet and web services. So now next topic that is coming to on your screen is what that you see. The types of services can be in any form. You can also write the various types of services, like why do we use this internet? To retrieve or search any information. Obviously, we are going to retrieve or fetch. Retrieve मतलब fetch. Finding people on the internet. Finding people on the internet means you would have seen. आपका कोई फ्रेंड अगर नहीं मिल रहा है, आप इंटरनेट पे सर्च कर सकते हो there's a Facebook. You will see in Facebook, you can find out your missing friends or your, those friends who were in LKG or UKG or 1, 2, 3. You can search those friends by their name, by their location, by some hints. Understood? And you can be in touch of each other. Finding people on the internet is also one of the services. Next service is what? That we see. Sending or receiving messages through email. Who does not know email? Everybody knows email. Emails means electronic mail. And the main purpose of the email is to send as well as to receive also messages electronically. I will come to these all things one by one in details. First of all, let me show you these points that what internet services that we can perform. The next one is chatting. Everyone knows about the chatting. In WhatsApp also we are doing chatting with our friends, with our relatives. We are typing something. Other end, our relative is also typing something. Our friend is also typing something. In response of that, I am also typing something, and continuous talk is going on. But this chatting does not involve videos. In this chatting, only textual talk goes on. Only textual talk is going on. So that is known as chatting. And next one is video conferencing. So video conferencing is what? Where we cannot only talk, sorry, write anything, where we cannot only perform the textual talk by typing, but also we can see each other. हम एक दूसरे को देख भी सकते हैं और टाइप भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो दोनों चीज यहाँ से हम लोग कर सकते हैं. दैट इज नोन एज वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग. जैसे अभी तुम देख रहे हो कि हमारी स्क्रीन पे तो तुम्हें मैं दिखा रहा हूँ, कुछ टाइपिंग कर करके भी दिखा सकता हूँ या लिख कर भी दिखा सकता हूँ और तुम्हें लाइव भी कर सकता हूँ कि सब लोग अपना वीडियो ऑन कर लो और मैं सबको देखना चाहता हूँ कि कितने लोग वीडियो ऑन करके क्या क्या कर रहे हो. So that is video conferencing. Means I am seeing you each other. I am seeing you. You are interacting with me face to face, as well as you are able to see my content. I am typing also from my side. I am chatting also. You will see in your Zoom app there is one chatting option. By chatting option, you are giving me or passing me some message also without any interruption in the regular class or in this session. In this running session, if you don't want to disturb, then you can send me chat also. If I will have to give you some message, I have to send some link to you. I can also send you this message or link to chat so that my class will not be hampered and my message will also be distributed to you all, communicated to you all without any interruption. That is known as chatting. Now next you see. Next one is participating in discussion or group or forum. We can create many kind of e-groups on topics, some common topic, like-minded persons, like some computer people are there. If they are if they are doing some kind of programming in Python language, suppose Python programming language, they want to create some program. So they want to discuss some problem, their thoughts, their feelings, their ideas, their knowledge about the Python programming language. They can create a group of Python. And in that forum or that group, only those people will involve or will join who are interested in Python and can send, can receive, can post, can share their own ideas, etc. with each other. So these are also possible in internet services. So you may write, I hope you would have taken the screenshot of this slide also. So if you have not taken, do it fast and take the screenshot of this. Apart from this, because of lack of space, I have not written here. I am telling you verbally, and I will come to that point also. There are many other types of services which are also coming under internet and web services. What are those? Can you tell me, friends? Anybody else? आप में से कोई बताओ और भी क्या क्या इंटरनेट सर्विसेज हो सकता है, जल्दी बोलो. Yes, tell me. Anybody? What are the other types of internet services?
Sir, transferring files or important documents.
Very good, very good,
Online
very good.
shopping.
Excellent. Uploading, downloading. You can say uploading, downloading. That are not written here. You can write in your notebook. You can write in your notebook. Internet services. Uploading and downloading. Very good. Next. Anyone else?
Online shopping.
Online shopping. Wonderful answer. Wonderful answer. Online shopping. Best answer. Online shopping. And and anybody? Okay. E-learning that you are doing right now. E-learning, e-reservation, e-reservation. As one is told, e-business through e means electronic through internet. Shopkeepers can increase or they can increase in the turnover of their business. They can increase the performance in their business. These are only, not only that, we can go for e-reservation. These all are coming under internet and web services. Now coming to the next slide, and you see that you can write e-commerce, e-business, e-learning, e-reservation. Okay. Now I come to the next point. In this slide, I just show you first of all the main purpose of internet and the main services provided by internet is information retrieval. Nobody told me. What is that? Information retrieval means fetching information. So first you write information fetching and information retrieval. And how it is to be done? We all know by typing the URL. URL means uniform resource locator. That is a web address in a web browser. Second one is what that you see. Search engine. So all of you right now, what is a search engine? Everybody right now, what do you mean by search engine? Right now, a search engine helps in searching information on the internet according to the typed keywords. In very simple word I have written here so that everyone can understand it easily. So now what is search engine? You would have learned about some search engines, google.com, yahoo.com. Like if you have one query in your mind and you want to find the answer of that, where you will go? Certainly you will contact your teacher or you will contact an expert of that particular topic. But that subject teacher or that expert is not available at that time. Nothing to worry. You can go to your internet in your mobile phone or laptop, open or start google.com, and you type that word. Which word? That which you want to see. Like if you want to see that how many universities in Delhi offer management courses, how many universities are in Delhi which offer management courses? Then Google में जाओ, type करो universities in Delhi offer management courses. Or how many schools are there which provide IIT coaching with CBSE schooling also. So in that you can type like this type of queries and you will find so many links, millions of links, not thousands. And some examples of search engines are here. Google.com, Yahoo.com, Bing.com, AmericaOnline.com. So now all of you write in your notebook all these things. Have you written, friends? Should I go to the next slide or taken the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Everybody say yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Won't do any kind of annotation. I have told you not to do any annotation on the screen. Okay, annotation is not allowed. Nobody will do any annotation because it does disturbs the teacher. Okay, now you see, if you have taken the screenshot, then move to the next one because I have to teach you many things. I'll show you some videos also. Components of search engine. यहाँ पहले मैं बता दूं, फिर मैं आपको एक वीडियो दिखाता हूँ. Components मतलब सर्च इंजन कोई अकेला नहीं है, 3 चीज को मिला के सर्च इंजन बनता है. 3 चीज. What is that? तो ये डायग्राम से मैंने समझाने का कोशिश किया यहाँ से. सबसे पहले यूजर जब टाइप करता है कोई टेक्स्ट को, दैट यूजर वांट्स टू सर्च एनी, जैसे मैंने अभी बताया पिछले स्लाइड में कि हम यूनिवर्सिटीज इन दिल्ली प्रोवाइड्स मैनेजमेंट कोर्सेज. तो वो जब यूजर टाइप करेगा तो सर्च इंजन उसको कैसे फेच करेगा और तुम्हारे सामने कैसे लाएगा? 3 लेवल में करता है वो. सबसे ऊपर देखो, सबसे पहला लेवल होता है वेब क्रॉलिंग या रोबोट वेब क्रॉलर. यहाँ पे क्रॉलिंग बोलते हैं. क्रॉलिंग मतलब जस्ट लाइक वन स्पाइडर इज देयर, क्रॉलिंग. वो क्या करता है, ये पेज, इस पेज में क्या होता है, इट फाइंड्स द रिलेटेड वेब पेजेस that you have typed in the Google. According to that, it finds the related web pages among different servers in the world, throughout the world. ये फाइंड करेगा कि भाई तुम जो सर्च कर रही हो उससे रिलेटेड वेब पेजेस कौन कौन है, उसको फाइंड आउट किया. लेकिन तुम बोलोगे सर इतना फाइंड आउट करेगा तो बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Because web crawlers are designed in such a way that they have some inbuilt record of those web pages also. उसमें पहले से भी तुम्हारा टाइप किया हुआ, पहले से भी किसी ने टाइप किया होगा, उसका रिलेटेड जितना भी पेज होगा वो पहले से रहता है उसके पास, और कुछ नया पेज वो ढूंढता है. कौन? वेब क्रॉलर. फिर क्या करता है वो, उसको एक इंडेक्सिंग करता है. मतलब जितना पेज मिला उस सब को उसका एक इंडेक्सिंग कर दिया. इंडेक्सिंग मतलब उसका एक डेटाबेस बना दिया कि भाई मुझे ये पेज मिला, 10 लाख पेज मिला मुझे, आप जो सर्च कर रहे हो मुझे 10 लाख पेज मिला. तो 10 लाख पेज का वो क्या किया, वो इंडेक्सिंग कर दिया. अब 10 लाख पेज तो तुम देखोगे नहीं, तुम तो कोई 2 ही 4 पेज पे देखोगे. अब वो इंडेक्सिंग से नेक्स्ट पेज में सर्च एल्गोरिथम आ गया. सर्च एल्गोरिथम थर्ड पेज है, थर्ड कंपोनेंट है. वो क्या किया सर्च एल्गोरिथम कि उसने जितना भी इंडेक्सिंग किया हुआ पेज था उसको अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर रैंकिंग वो तुम्हारे स्क्रीन पे डिस्प्ले कर दिया. अकॉर्डिंग टू रैंकिंग मतलब ईच सर्च इंजन जैसे गूगल या याहू सर्च जो भी है, हर सर्च इंजन का अपना एक रूल है दैट इज नॉट डिस्क्लोज. वो आपको बताएगा नहीं कि किस क्राइटेरिया पे एक पर्टिकुलर पेज सबसे पहले स्क्रीन के ऊपर में दिखता है और किस क्राइटेरिया पे वो सबसे लास्ट में दिखता है. रैंकिंग करता है, उसका कोई भी वो आपको सर्च इंजन बताता नहीं, कोई भी सर्च इंजन नहीं बताता. तो ऑन व्हाट बेसिस दे आर रैंकिंग द वेब पेजेस और लिंक्स दैट वेब क्रॉलर हैज सर्च एंड इंडेक्सिंग हैज बीन डन. उस इंडेक्सिंग वाले पेजेस को कैसे वो रैंकिंग करेगा ये कोई भी कंपनी नहीं बताती. लेकिन रैंकिंग का एक कम क्राइटेरिया जो है आप देखोगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं दिखाऊंगा कि ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ नंबर ऑफ हिट्स या ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट, कोई किसी कंपनी का ऑफिशियल वेब पेज है तो वो उसको रैंकिंग ज्यादा मिलता है, या नंबर ऑफ हिट्स पे मिलता है, या लोकेशन पे भी मिलता है कि किस लोकेशन से तुम इंडिया में हो और तुम किस लोकेशन से सर्च कर रहे हो, तो तुम्हारा लोकेशन के आसपास का सर्वर से वो वेब पेज निकालेगा या सर्च इंजन उसको सर्च करेगा और रैंकिंग करेगा. तो रैंकिंग का कुछ एक एग्जैक्ट रूल कोई बताता नहीं है, बट रैंकिंग के बाद वो तुम्हारे स्क्रीन पे ब्राउजर में डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा. अब मैं नेक्स्ट में लिखाता हूँ. तुम पहले ये लिख लो कि व्हाट आर द 3 कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ, पहले लिखो व्हाट आर द 3 कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ, व्हाट आर द 3 कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ सर्च इंजन. सबसे पहले लिखो स्पाइडर्स और वेब क्रॉलर. स्पाइडर्स स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा होगा, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले लो, स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले लो और देखो यहाँ लिखा हुआ है स्पाइडर्स और वेब क्रॉलर, पहला। दूसरा है इंडेक्सिंग सॉफ्टवेयर, जो कि वेब क्रॉलर ने स्पाइडर भी बोलते हैं उसको, वेब क्रॉलर भी बोलते हैं, दोनों चीज बोलते हैं। तो उसने क्या किया कि सारे रिलेटेड वेब पेजेस जिसको तुम सर्च कर रही हो उसका एक उसने सर्च किया, जगह जगह से ढूंढ ढूंढ के निकाला, और कुछ तो उसके पास खुद ही भी था, अपने पास भी था उसके पास। तो एक रिकॉर्ड में रखता है, वो एक बफर करके रखता है कुछ वेब पेजेस, और जो अलग से खोजना पड़ा उसको खोज के, और उसको क्या किया, इंडेक्सिंग सॉफ्टवेयर को दे दिया। इंडेक्सिंग सॉफ्टवेयर इज द सेकंड कंपोनेंट। वो क्या करता है कि सारा रिलेटेड सर्च वेब पेजेस जो स्पाइडर ने किया है सर्च, उसको वो इंडेक्सिंग कर दिया। जैसे तुम बुक में देखते हो ना कि तुम्हारे बुक के पहले चैप्टर वाइज लिखा रहता है, इंडेक्सिंग किया हुआ रहता है, ये चैप्टर का पेज नंबर यहाँ से यहाँ तक है, चैप्टर नंबर 2 यहाँ से यहाँ तक है, पेज नंबर यहाँ से यहाँ तक, और उसमें कौन कौन चैप्टर कौन कौन टॉपिक है, उसी तरह से इंडेक्सिंग सॉफ्टवेयर उसको इंडेक्स कर दिया। बट हाउ द सर्च एल्गोरिथम विल डिस्प्ले दैट वेब लिंक्स according to their ranking, according to their priority, according to the web official site, official importance, उसको देख के, और लोकेशन उसको देख के सर्च एल्गोरिथम उसको वेब ब्राउजर में डिस्प्ले करता है। तो थर्ड इज सर्च एल्गोरिथम। तीनों का तुमको बहुत सारा कुछ यहाँ लिखा हुआ है, मैं अभी डिक्लेट नहीं कराऊंगा, आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, सबको दिख रहा होगा स्क्रीनशॉट, ले लो। सबने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया? सबने स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
स्क्रीनशॉट सबको लेने आता है ना? सब कोई स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, बाद में लिख लेना, ठीक है? अभी लिखने में टाइम मत लगाओ, अभी तुम आराम से देखो स्क्रीन पे क्या लिखा हो, पढ़ लो उसको, और स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, बाद में देख देख के लिख लेना। नोट्स तो सबको बनाना है, मार्क्स मिलेगा उसी पे, नोट्स पे, इंटरनल मार्क्स जो कि हम लोग भेजेंगे, 20 मार्क्स जो इंटरनल जाता है वो इसी सब पे मिलेगा कि तुमने नोट्स लिखा है, सारा चीज मैंने जो पढ़ाया है, क्योंकि अब स्कूल खुलने के बाद टाइम नहीं मिलेगा। You are class 10 student, you all understand this all, and we are not going to revise these all things, so you have to be very careful। आप बहुत ही अलर्ट रहो, आप हमेशा समझते रहो कि मुझे ये सब लिखना है, ये कोई टाइम पास क्लास नहीं है। क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? ये ऑनलाइन क्लास हो रहा है, ऐसे ही लॉकडाउन में टाइम पास हो रहा है, ऐसे नहीं हो रहा, इट इज रेगुलर क्लास, वी आर टेकिंग इट वेरी सीरियसली, and very soon all of you will be all of you will be given one link to join Google Classroom, और वर्चुअल क्लासरूम बनाएंगे हम लोग, उसमें हम तुम लोग का नोट्स भेजेंगे, उसमें तुम लोग को हम क्वेश्चन आंसर भेजेंगे, और तुम लोग आंसर जो लिख के दोगे उस पर हम टिक मार्क करके चेक करके वापस तुमको भेजेंगे, मार्क्स भी देंगे, and that marks will be used as internal grading which will be sent to CBSE। Now friends, I am going to the next slide. Hope next slide will be a video, I think. Yes, see now, the thing has come now. Everyone see this video, you will be able to understand each and everything that I have told you just now.
Every day, billions of people come here with questions about all kinds of things. Sometimes we even get questions about Google search itself, like how this whole thing actually works. And while this is a subject entire books have been written about, there's a good chance you're in the market for something a little more concise. So let's say it's getting close to dinner and you want a recipe for lasagna. You've probably seen this before, but let's go a little deeper. Since the beginning, back when the homepage looked like this, Google has been continuously mapping the web, hundreds of billions of pages, to create something called an index. Think of it as the giant library we look through whenever you do a search for lasagna or anything else. Now, the word lasagna shows up a lot on the web. Pages about the history of lasagna, articles by scientists whose last name happened to be lasagna, stuff other people might be looking for. But if you're hungry, randomly clicking through millions of links is no fun. This is where Google's ranking algorithms come into play. First, they try to understand what you're looking for, so they can be helpful even if you don't know exactly the right words to use or if your spelling is a little off. Then they sift through millions of possible matches in the index and automatically assemble a page that tries to put the most relevant information up top for you to choose from. Okay, now we have some results. But how did the algorithms actually decide what made it onto the first page? There are hundreds of factors that go into ranking search results, so let's talk about a few of them. You may already know that pages containing the words you search for are more likely to end up at the top. No surprise there. But the location of those words, like in the page's title or in an image's caption, those are factors too. There's a lot more to ranking than just words. Back when Google got started, we looked at how pages link to each other to better understand.
Okay, so now you would have seen this one, how this one searching in. Now one more thing, one more slide. That also you should see. One more video.
Ever wonder how major search engines such as Google, Yahoo, and Bing rank your website within their search results? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video tutorial, we're going to explain how search engines work. More specifically, we'll discuss the primary functions of search engines, such as how they scan and index information on the web and provide search patrons with the most relevant listings based on their request. Understanding these components is a critical part of SEO and can help us as we begin our endeavors of optimizing our site for search engines. Imagine for a moment that you're a librarian. When people come into your library, it's your job to help them find the book they're looking for. Now, imagine that your library is a giant one that consists of over 130 million books with no formal organized filing system. Well, how do you do it? First, you need a system, and a great one for that matter. Your system needs to know what's on over 100 trillion pages. Additionally, it needs to answer up to 40,000 customer inquiries per second and spit out the most relevant answers to each question. Search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing are the librarians, and the giant library is the internet. And yes, search engines like Google have a system to collect information about every page on the internet to provide their customers with the most relevant search results. So there it is. The system search engines deploy consist of three primary functions: crawling, indexing, and ranking. First, to locate relevant content on over 100 trillion web pages, a search engine deploys a spider, also referred to as a bot or crawler, which is a program that finds relevant information and builds a list of words found on each site, a process known as web crawling. Crawling is where it all begins, and for that matter, it never ends. Spiders quickly and frequently scan sites and compile a list of everything presented on the site, including content, page titles, headers, keywords, images, link pages, and much, much more.
See, one thing is there. I will stop here. Why? The web crawler is doing the searching of or finding out of the related web pages which you have typed in the text in the Google search. So according to that typed text, the university in Delhi provides management courses. Suppose I want to search this many links on this particular content. So I will type them. So how web crawler will also search those web pages? According to your typed content of the web page, according to the page title, according to the header, keyword, images, links. These are some hints that are being taken by the web crawler to search, to make their search easier. So that web crawler also finds such web pages on some hints.
The second function of search engines is indexing. In this step, the bot processes all of the information it gathers and compiles a massive index of the words and the respective location. The last function is providing users with a list of relevant results based on their search. When a user enters a query, the search engine scans the index to locate the most relevant sites. It then returns the results it believes are most relevant to the user. We refer to this as ranking. Ranking is determined by many factors. For example, Google uses over 200 ranking factors to identify the relevancy of their search listings. These ranking factors are part of a complex algorithm, and Google does not openly disclose what these ranking factors are. However, through a combination of research, testing, and most importantly, experience, the important factors of good SEO are known. In addition, Google is constantly adjusting and updating its search result terms. So a website that is ranked at the top of a results page today may have a different position next month. Throughout this video training series, we'll cover the most important ranking factors.
Clear that what is the purpose of this. Now next one is that finding people on the internet. So right now, how can you find people on the internet? So you can take again the screenshot of this. It is a way to search any person, any person or people on the internet based on email ID or phone number or address. You must have to give some hint so that you can find some person or any person or people on the search or on the internet. So that is what facebook.com, google.com, LinkedIn and twitter.com पे भी आप जाके किसी भी पर्सन को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. जैसे आपका कोई फ्रेंड का नाम है, आप अपने फ्रेंड का नाम टाइप करो, एड्रेस थोड़ा सा टाइप करो, कुछ लिंक दो, तो ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल शो यू so many names like that. So you will have to find out one by one. आप अपने सर्च को और फिल्टर करो और मिनिमाइज करो and it will be displayed exactly what you want to search. Okay, and then you can further communicate with that person. So that is also finding people on the internet. Next one is what that is. Next one is email. We all know email is a electronic method of transferring messages or exchange of messages digitally through computer network, through internet, and email must require one email address. An email address has two parts. First one is username, then @ symbol, and host name. So you can write this one, what is email, and this question answer you will also write in your notebook. This is your homework. I am giving you all this as homework. Note down all these contents in your notebook, what you have taken in screenshot. And सबको screenshot लेते जाना है और सबको notebook में लिखना है. Very soon I will you will have to take the snap of all the pages of your notebook and you will have to send me in Google Classroom. I will connect you all. Very soon I will send you a link in your snap homework. मैं एक link भेजूंगा to connect you in Google Classroom. उस लिंक पे जाके आपको अपना एंट्री डालना है, आपका ईमेल आईडी और क्या क्या है वो सब डालना है और आई विल सेंड यू वन इनविटेशन इन योर ईमेल जीमेल में देखना मैं एक इनविटेशन भेजूंगा. उस इनविटेशन पे जाके तुम्हें क्लिक करना है और तुम अपने आप ज्वाइन हो जाओगे. ठीक है ना. तो उस क्लासरूम में ज्वाइन हो जाओगे. ज्वाइन बटन पे क्लिक करना ज्वाइन होने के लिए और जब ज्वाइन हो जाओगे तो विद व्हाटएवर मैसेज आई विल पोस्ट टू यू विल गेट इट इंस्टेंटली एंड इन रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ दैट if you will also give me any message, so I will also get that. So it's a two-way communication. It's a virtual classroom. And I can check your all work also, your answers also, your doubts also. I can suggest you also. I can give you comments also, marks also, etc. So now email is that which is used to communicate with the person through digital method. And that has two parts in email address that we know. Now come to the next point. What are the advantages of email? Everybody knows about the advantages of email. I don't think कि इसको ही बताना पड़ेगा मुझे, फिर भी मैं बोल देता हूँ. Email provides the facility by which in low cost we can do our or send messages. अमेरिका तक तुम मैसेज भेज सकते हो, अदर कंट्रीज में भेज सकते हो, किसी भी फॉरेन कंट्री में भेज सकते हो विद द सेम कॉस्ट. जो कॉस्ट तुम इंटरनेट का यूज पे कर रहे हो अपने मोबाइल फोन में या लैपटॉप में. स्पीड तो समझ ही रहे हो कि अभी भेजे अभी तुरंत चला गया. इसके लिए तुम्हारे पोस्ट ऑफिस जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. वहां से आगे बस में या ट्रक में लगा के नहीं जाएगा, ट्रेन में नहीं जाएगा. ईज ऑफ यूज बहुत आसान है, कोई भी टाइप करके भेज सकता है और मल्टीपल यूजर्स को भेज सकते हैं एक मैसेज. जितना यूजर्स को चाहे 100 यूजर्स को चाहे तो 100 यूजर्स को भेज सकते हैं. और ये सबसे बड़ी बात है कि हम अपने मैसेजेस को एक रिकॉर्ड बना के रख सकते हैं. हमने इस महीने में किसको किसको मैसेज भेजा और किसने मुझे भेजा. और एट द सेम टाइम इसका डिसएडवांटेजेस भी है. आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट जल्दी से ले लो बिकॉज वी हैव लेस टाइम. आप पहले स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो और इसको लिख लेना. और I think today's class was very useful. Next time I will complete this chapter. Hope you would have understood now. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much. Take the screenshot. And in next class, you will ask doubts also from me. If you have any doubt, you can ask from me.